VeChain price prediction March 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's 𝗩𝗿𝗰𝗵 from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be looking at VeChain from a high time frame. We'll be sharing with you some VeChain key news update, and also, guys, I'll be sharing with you exactly how we're trading VeChain. In the YouTube channel, I share with you exactly which coins I'm buying and selling, what levels I'm looking to buy. In the Rockstar Trading group, I share exactly when coins are breaking out, with stops and targets. It was just breaking out above 40 cents. We traded it. I posted when it was breaking out. If you are interested, I'll leave the links below for you to check out. But let's get into the video. So, guys, the first thing I want to say is you can see I've got my daily and weekly time frames at the chart at the moment, because most new people that join, they just want their coins to go up 100%, 300% straight away, and that's not how the market works, guys. You have to be patient. If you just want a 10x, I recommend you go play the lottery and not trading cryptocurrency. And trading is a lot different to that, guys. VeChain since start of the year is still up of over 200%, so VeChain has been great. I know it's lagging slightly behind Cardano. I look at the VeChain BTC chart, which is breaking out now, but it's really important to look at it from a high time frame. Look at what VeChain is trying to do. VeChain is one of the more popular coins on my video. Like I said, I've shared exactly how I've traded VeChain. My main trade was a breakout out of 20 cents. We waited for that trade since early last year, and you have to wait when you're trading long time frames. It could happen once or twice a year, and you have to be in the zone to trade. Again, watch the YouTube videos. I shared exactly how I traded it, posted exact entries, exits, targets before they broke out in the Rockstar Trading group. So what now, guys? That's great. So high time frame VeChain is in an uptrend now, guys. I'm still holding some of VeChain from the previous trade out of 30 cents. So you can go check out that video. What I'm looking for VeChain now is to come up here and break out of 60 cents. Again, 60 cents, if you watch, was my next Fibonacci target. So this is where we look to take profit. If VeChain can break out above this level, I will be targeting 80 cents, just below 80 cents I'll be targeting. But that 10 cent target, people call me crazy for, $1 Cardano target. We've seen what has happened. Don't chase pumps. Don't buy something that's already gone up 100 or 1000%. You can look to trade it, but look to get in before they pump. So that's my update. I'll have a look at that VeChain USD again, but let's have a quick look at VeChain BTC and news, and then I'll come back to VeChain USD. VeChain BTC is breaking out. It's putting some really nice higher lows, and one thing I want to say is VeChain BTC is still very undervalued. And another point I want to make, around about here, there was actually someone in my Rockstar Trading group. I posted this trade in one of the live streams. This was last year, and they said, oh, Rocco is not moving. It hit first target, and I was still in this with the stop below, and it took about around 2 months for it to break out. And look at one of the best rallies, best trades that I've had. And I know lots of people joined the Rockstar Trading group, and my views on YouTube went up after that call. Again, I'm not saying I'll get that call correct, but as long as VeChain is holding above this red zone, I'm happy to be in some VeChain. Again, don't 100x, wait for a pullback. Please have a strategy. Whether you follow my strategy or have your own, make sure you have a strategy. If you're trading with emotions, guys, you're not gonna last too long in this market. So please make sure you have a strategy. Whether you follow mine or have your own, please make sure you have a strategy. So VeChain BTC is breaking out now, and I want VeChain BTC to hold above, I'd say, ideally 100. I've got an alert there. I'll post if it breaks below. But as long as it's holding above this red zone, it's very bullish for VeChain, and I think higher targets in VeChain. And it's really important to look at the VeChain BTC chart, because that can help us guide on whether to take trades in VeChain. Because I want VeChain USD to go up, not just against USD, but VeChain BTC and USD to go up. That's when you get the big trades. If you remember back in February, if you look at, I'll go back and show you the USD chart. When it broke out against BTC, we had huge rallies against USD as well. So the data I look at is May. So let me go back to the VeChain USD chart. Look at what happened last year in May. Last year, May, VeChain had huge rallies. So you can look at May last year. That was the 2000% rally against BTC, and hopefully if it breaks out, we can see another rally towards that level. So let's have a quick look at news. And if you type in VeChain news, most things that come up is price, and that's not something I like to see. I want to see more news, and I think that's why maybe VeChain's been held back. Because if you type in Cardano, Charles Hodgkinson is trying to pump it like crazy, and we can look at other coins, Zilliqa and stuff. So I think VeChain does need some news from the project. But that's something I like about the project. They actually just go about their business. They're not just trying to pump coins like all the other crypto. They're actually trying to get adoption and use cases. And I'll make another more detailed fundamental video. I try to make a separate one. Again, watch my previous fundamental and news video on VeChain. But at the moment, recently, I've not seen that much news. So if there's some news coming out, especially above 6 cents, I think this will pump towards that level. So that's my quick update on VeChain. So just to review, the key levels that I'm looking at in VeChain is I want it to stay above 40 cents and then break out above there. And from VeChain BTC, I want it above 100 sats. I think VeChain will rally, and hopefully it finally rallies. It's been very slow VeChain compared to the other coins. So hopefully VeChain finally rallies, similar to what ADA BTC did and Zilliqa BTC did. VeChain has been lagging. Do you think this is finally the month where VeChain has its own rally? So comment below your thoughts on VeChain. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. If you are interested in the group, I'll leave the links below. The price have gone up this month, but again, you get live streams, you get all the cool stuff. You can trial us and get our full courses. If you're interested, I'll leave the links below. To end the video, what is your thoughts on VeChain? Do you like VeChain fundamentally? Do you think VeChain will go up a lot more? Are you interested in VeChain staking? Let me know. Put some suggestions in the video, or are there any other coins you want me to make a video on? Comment below, and again, I'll reply to you guys. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go VeChain.